using 3.5mm headphones with an iPhone XR.
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to answer a common question many of you have been asking. Can I use headphones with a 3.5mm jack on the iPhone XR?
Does the iPhone XR have a 3.5mm jack?
Let's start with the basics. Since the release of the iPhone 7, Apple decided to remove the 3.5mm headphone jack from their phone designs, and the iPhone XR follows this design choice. Therefore, you won't find a 3.5mm headphone jack on your iPhone XR.
How can I use my 3.5mm headphones with an iPhone XR?
Even though there's number 3.5mm jack, don't worry. There are still ways you can use your favorite 3.5mm headphones with your iPhone XR. 1. Using a Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. This is a small accessory you can buy that plugs into your iPhone's Lightning port and provides a 3.5mm headphone jack for your headphones to plug into. Apple sells these adapters, and you can also find third-party options that may be cheaper. 2. Using a Bluetooth adapter. If you prefer a wireless solution, you could use a Bluetooth adapter that connects to your headphones and communicates wirelessly with your phone. This can help if you also want to charge your phone while using your headphones, as the Lightning port would be free. So, there you have it. While the iPhone XR doesn't have a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack, with a little bit of help from adapters, you can still enjoy using your 3.5mm headphones. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep exploring and enjoying your tech.